So today we're going to be looking at this water filter. So it's a two-stage water filter. We bought two filters, one to put on the main that comes into the house, and another one to put in underneath the garage, and another one to put in under the sink. So we're going to open this up. I bought this at the Black Friday sale. I think it was about 89 bucks, 90 bucks for the whole setup, but it never came with any of the hardware to attach to our line. So we have a 1-inch line, maybe 1.25 inches coming into the house, and then I switch over to 3/4 inch PEX. So we need some 3/4 inch PEX, T's and valves and so forth to make all this work.
Now would be a great time to hit the like button and the subscribe if you haven't.
All right, we found all our 3/4 inch plumbing supplies. So the unit's gonna be set up something like this. So that mounting bracket we're gonna need over there. We're gonna need something between them, and we're gonna need the PEX to come into one side, out the other side, and back into the house. So I've got my crimp rings, I've got one shut-off valve, a 3/4 inch shut-off. I've got 2 T's here, and a coupler. All right, we are back from the hardware store. So I took the filters in these boxes down there. Oh, dropped the cap. And the guy was great. There was a guy in the plumbing aisle restocking, so he helped me out. Let's see what we got. Okay, this thing weighs about 20 pounds, maybe 25 pounds without water. So it's gonna be pretty heavy. I'm gonna put that right there. There for now. I don't think I'm going to cut the water line tonight. We'll do that during the day. And it looks like it's too close to the wall there. I'll have to bring it this way a bit. But I'm going to get a game plan. So we went to Home Hardware. So up in Canada, we don't have Ace Hardware. We have Home Hardware or Central Builders. We do have Lowe's. We do have Home Depot. But that guy was close. So that was perfect. Okay, so we've got the filter here. Let's just pull this up. So this guy is going to thread into there, like so.
Ended up using 3/4 inch PEX fittings. So this is the rings and some of the elbows and so forth that we used. I had to cut the main house line right here and bend some of the PEX pipe. So I put the PEX pipe in the oven. That made it more pliable to get behind that electrical and then bend it into the water filter. I grabbed a couple more tools for cutting the main water line and then just went at her. Cut the line, was able to take it off. I only had a small section there to work with and then bent the PEX in and it worked great.
All right, here we go, moment of truth, turning it on. Okay, so if I turn this on, it's gonna hit that dead end which goes to the faucet. Should go through here, fill up all these, and back into the house. I turned it on halfway valve. Uh-oh, we got a leak. That's leaking. Okay, so, oh, that's loose. Okay, that's tight. Okay. Let's try that. A little bit of a leak. Okay, this faucet's going. Shut that one off. How you guys doing? Looks like we're good. All right, I just got to turn the hot water heater back on. That would be right here. Okay, hot water heater is on as well. All right, so there you have it. That's the Geekpure water filter. So we've got the sediment filter and the carbon filter for the entire house plumbed in. The whole project, I would say, takes about an hour to do if you have all the tools and so forth. And if you're a plumber, you could probably do it in 15 minutes. Good job, and yeah, hopefully we'll have cleaner water now. A good thing to check to see if you need this at your house is... Right, we're here in the bathroom, and this is what gave me the idea of first putting up a sediment filter and carbon filter. More of the sediment filter. So, in behind the toilet tank here, or inside the toilet tank I should say, you can see the water's awfully brown. There's even a little bit of rust down in there. That's about 2.5 years of us living in this brand new house with a brand new well. So there's sediment coming up from the well and into the house and into our drinking water. We're filtering our water through a Buildy, but this is gonna help that much more. All right, stay tuned, make sure you like and subscribe.